Felix Paronik jotendo ma Kaluo oketo wangie go siasa mar dhok ma onge tich mitimo ne jopiny nyako tenre kod wechego mag ohala.
Let me tell you, Joluan until jande matino masani Luoland ma very active ohala. Kendo gin focused. All they need is to be support. Injo kaka wacha nanas. Until ojande mang'eny ma jopidho nanas. Kinyalo konyi pidhe mahama. Pidho kena na pidho, ipidhe standard ma European dware. Nikech European mi boko nyaka pidhe line machalama. Kikitigi these herbicides. Koro jotendo kopunjo joma tindo gi pidho gi standard ma dware no. Tikete container, tikete storage. Ok dhi loka. So they need somebody to lead them. To give the pidho ngata chiel kende kako ni maembe ngata pidho uyo ngata chiel pidho uyo ngata chiel maembe mang'eny kata ndori. Nobody bothers. Inena kanyo kendi. So it's us to joge together mondo benchmark kaka jomoko benefit mondo benefit. But the young generation masani gain focused. They want an income. You get in a group. This is what's required. It will help. So they need support.
Tira chiel kuom jopur mar Rawere ma bende kewacho kamano tapare luongo ni Shalton Omolo Wino otimo pur e county no ma Kisumu no keto pichni moke mbui mar aora mar Kibos kaka ne rating kendo wacho ni nitie dwaro magisebedo gono mondo me losi e ng'ie weche mag olo chemicals e pino mabende no dhi monego rech moke iye kanyo. King'iyo kitelo bende masani wantiere ganye counties ma Kaluo. Bende ni concern mar ng'iyo ni weche mag jopur matindo gi adier odhi koso gin mane gik mendike pepa to adier king'iyo kaka gitawo chenro to ok ochomoyo.
Kaki wache no. Pepa to ber. Kendo uwo maber kabisa. Kidhi on the ground onge. But the small farmer ko konye. Young men are working hard. Konye. Mondo kill gimoro. But like commerce ko open market for him. Idwaro gimoro ko konye. Because the man concerned with agriculture, or the pin municipal what to grow. He'll not know what to grow. Because hope that they nowhere. To create a pin punje, Tonya improve. Like the game quarantine Mono Millennium Village development. It came in the game, I can talk about it for a long time coming kinde. Nenun punje kakati fertilizer, pido duma, kind of thing storage, nifio school feeding program, hospital community hospital. It worked so well in game. Which means leaders can benchmark on that. Nikeje mangama young man dwa puro. Kinge kachelo ibe ni puro maber. Ke duma, kata avocado, kata nanas, ko konyi nyisi kaki puro. Puro ketino ket puro ken ni mateke puro jako ki and technology. Idwa ni ket hama, tik fertilizer ni hama, kionge loan bokoli loan, ichuli mi loan to cheminga ibi harvesting ado kanyo. Kija farm onge pesa ingade kanyo. So, kotimo ber first time already a good harvest, already income, waite kuro somo, or kodi tandurango teach, he can buy clothes for himself, things like that, and his children can go to school. He'll do next season, not like that. Kuro improve. The way majaba queen dhimele tokujaka kuzicha. So it's just focusing on what we need. But Luoland has got potential for everything. Potential for everything. And while my watch international trade, I'm an expert on international trade. My thesis paper on PhD is on what's called a comparative advantage in trade. Comparative advantage is on more mangat more onke godo. Kenya alpido kahawa to gichai gupa eretha jo msoko kunya alpido gino. Koro dwaro kahawa kuomi. Kose kora alpido kahawa makare. Now, enen mutoka to machinery. Kora chon karai. Kikelo mano te kamima. Kose comparative advantage. So in case you produce gimore ngatu dwaru ngiyo from you. But if ngatu kukonye in that arrangement. So hala ni comparative advantage in gimoro ngatu dwaru kuomye ekete mohala ma export. DRC. Also dwaru from DRC gold, minerals, uranium. Everything is there. Boom. When you go uranium, no, give enough money for the uranium. And then also, okay, enough money. You make sure you maintain matching future generation brought to your ground nadi. Okay, it's for future generation. Like World Masani, USA, they got a lot of crude oil. One time I was in Texas, Texas, California, they got a lot of crude oil. But to get mago waich in future gikawo mar joka nikech crude nyalo rumo minerals be bro rumo koro mtu wadhi kanye. So it's the leadership mang'iyo gigo and konyo the community. In production there's what's called capital, land, capital, labor, entrepreneurship. So one get enough labor to assist us improve. And that kind of arrangement, leader ko keti maber, the young man makoro timo gino will now get income, will be employed. He can take care of his family. And that's what you need to do. Nothing special. Okubini go Nairobi. Kanyalo sumoro bera iro pesa. Why do I come Nairobi? A mere example, Malu and Kotieno, the woman it changed by 100,000 yacht. What do you need to do? Kikwaji no kachabel konye mondo improve better. Mondo kill fish. End of the month, pesane 100,000, 20,000, utimugike. Don't give away like that. At the end of the day, nothing. So it's leadership.